Private equity is investment in private companies. The securities will be unlisted. That means they're not exchange traded. And typically they are privately placed with sophisticated investors. Remember that publicly traded securities are heavily regulated. The watchdog in the US, of course, is our Securities and Exchange Commission. But if I've got privately placed securities, they're typically either unregistered or very moderately registered, and therefore they can be placed directly with institutional or sophisticated investors. Now, we cannot sell them in the secondary market. Remember, the primary market is where we raise capital, debt and equity capital, to fund our operations, to fund our purchases of long-term assets. The secondary market is where we trade the already issued securities among ourselves. So because the securities, the private equity securities, are unregistered, they cannot be traded in the secondary market. And the key point here of private equity, therefore, is that private equity is going to be very illiquid, and typically it's going to be long-term. You're not going to be investing in private equity unless you're happy to tie your money for about maybe 7 to 10 years. Now, what are the three types of private equity? The first one, we already briefly mentioned that. It was VCO venture capital. So that was providing private capital to companies with high growth potential. And we can classify venture capital depending on where in their life cycle those startup companies are. So they may be really tiny, sort of just beginning to take off, in which case we refer to them as the startup phase, or they may have already some sort of operation going, or we could be providing mezzanine financing, which bridges them to the all-important IPO date. Another type of private equity is the leverage buyout, which is when we take a once publicly traded company with established track record, with established products, we take that company private through the issuance of a lot of debt. Then we have the PIPE. The PIPE, my friends. PIPE stands for Private Investment in Public Equity. Yes, it is a publicly traded company, but we are making a private investment in the publicly traded company. That is what we mean by the PIPE transaction. And this is common when a publicly traded company is perhaps in trouble and requires quick financing. And why does the PIPE transaction offer that quick financing? Well, you guessed it, it's a private investment, so it doesn't have to go through all the hoops and hurdles of the SEC, get registered and so on, so that, let's say, institutional investor can privately place directly with the company, okay? They can directly invest with the company through a private transaction.